In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the progress bar in Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started with the first step. Begin by visiting the Monday.com website and logging into your account. You can do this using your email address, or if you prefer, you can take advantage of a single sign-on option, such as logging in with Google. It's a simple process, and once you're logged in, you'll have access to your workspace. Next, you'll want to navigate to your project board. Look for the specific board within your workspace where you'd like to implement progress tracking. This board should contain the tasks associated with the project you are managing. Once you're on your project board, it's important to manage your sub-items effectively. Make sure your main tasks, often referred to as parent items, have sub-items linked to them. These sub-items represent the smaller steps that contribute to completing the larger task. This hierarchy is essential for the progress bar, as it will track the completion of these smaller components. Now, let's move on to accessing the status column settings. Within your sub-items, locate the status column. This is where you'll define the current status of each sub-item. Once you find the status column, look for the three dots, often represented as an ellipsis, at the top of the sub-item status column. Clicking these dots will open up a settings menu. From this menu, you'll want to activate the progress bar feature. Find the option labeled Show Summary on Parent Item and select it. This action is crucial, as it will automatically create a progress bar displayed on the parent task, giving you a visual representation of progress for that task based on its sub-items. Finally, it's time to track your progress. With the progress bar activated on the parent item, you'll now see a visual summary of the completion rate based on the status of all associated sub-items. This could appear as a percentage or a colored bar, allowing you to quickly gauge how close your project is to completion. After you implement these steps, you'll find that utilizing the progress bar in Monday.com offers a great way to keep track of your tasks, helping you visualize project progress at a glance. It's an effective tool for managing your workload and ensuring that all parts of your project are moving forward. So to recap, remember to log into your account, navigate to the right project board, ensure you have sub-items connected to your main tasks, access the status column settings, activate the progress bar, and finally, monitor your progress through the visual summaries you've created. That's all for today's video on how to use the progress bar in Monday.com. Happy tracking, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.